What is the best month to visit Mount Buller? On average, late August to early September is when Mount Buller reports the deepest snow cover on the majority of runs. This period does fall partly within peak season, so it's best to plan ahead and book early. Mount Buller's snow guarantee gives you the confidence to book your snow holiday. It's a money-back guarantee on all prepaid participating accommodation, lift ticket, rental, lesson packages, toboggans park entries, and applies if there is insufficient snow cover. For the best value, visit early and late in the season when there are special offers and savings like kids stay free under age 15. Conditions vary season to season, and weather changes quickly on the mountain at any time of the year. Keep an eye on the snow reports so you are ready for the conditions. Spring at Mount Buller can deliver good skiing and boarding with late-season discounts to sweeten the experience. It's often lovely weather with longer days, more sunshine, and mild temperatures, perfect for first-timers and young kids. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the exciting world of 1000 Vlogs.